Review SPY for Friday trading, June 14, 2024. What happened on Friday? I think on Thursday I said we got gap below here, and then we got lots of support below. So far, I haven't seen any bearish candlestick bar yet. It's still, the 3-bar rule is still untouched. It's still intact. The 3-bar rules. When I say 3-bar rules, that means 2 days bar must close below 3-bar lows ago. That means this bar must close below 1, 2, 3, 3-bar ago, the low, in order to form bearish signal. But so far I haven't seen it. It's still bullish trend. Regardless, there's a gap here, right? Okay, so what happened Friday? So Friday it gapped down. I said on Thursday, right? 50, my favorite strategy, simple strategy. Even you're a beginner, even you don't know anything about trading, using simple strategy, 50 moving average cross 200 happens once a week on 1 minute time frame. So it did happen. It gapped down. So not much you could do. I said, it will get up. That was a perfect setup to sell, but it gapped down. The profit is very, slim. Even it went short here. Okay, only about 1 point profit. But anyway, if the market found the bottom in the first 1 hour, 2 hours trading, look at it. W shape, it didn't go, break below. Then from that point on, just a channel, rising channel. This is definitely a bear trap right here. You've identified the pattern, the trap, and let's look at the 2-minute. What happened 2-minute? So 2-minute, also 50 cross. When 50 cross 200, that means it finished the retracement cycle, and it didn't hit lower, and then form a W shape, right? That's typical bottom. For the top, should be like M, like this one. This is definitely a top. It's easy to identify on Thursday and Friday. This one, even you didn't want to go long, you shouldn't you shouldn't have gone short here, because we already see it. It's right here presented in front of us, W shape pattern. And look at daily chart, right? It hit the 5-day moving average, which is support. I said it on Thursday. Even though we got gap here, but still you have to respect the 5-day moving average and 10-day. That's really extreme. You hit 10-day. And also I said on Thursday, right? We got 2 candlestick bar closed outside the upper band, Bollinger Bands. So it should be traded inside on Friday. It did happen, right? It did close. It traded, so it gapped down, went a little bit lower, but we got lots of supports below. It didn't. It failed to go further down. That's what happened. So you got to be a nimble, responsive to the market. You have to identify, right? When you're live trading, you have to identify patterns always. Okay, let's look at what happened on Monday. Now let's talk about identifying pattern. Now we have a pattern here again. You see it? Can you see it? Now we have a rising channel here, tapering. So either 2 ways to play, right? Either it will break up or breakdown. So be patient, wait for the, I mean, even rising channel doesn't mean it will break down. It could break up. So be careful. Let's see what happened. What will what will the market give us on Monday? And I think there's some telltale sign here. If on Monday it have a get up, it definitely is a good trade setup. Okay, because also look at it. 1 minute time frame, 50 is about 200 already. So you have to, respect the moving averages. So Monday it might get up, and then look for, a trade setup. Because I said my favorite strategy, 50 cross, 200 moving average, once a day. So let's see. Okay, again, let's look at my final. I think I presented this one many times. I use a very simple analysis. Don't have to be complicated to guess. Okay, I said this is a cup for many months. Definitely, this is a cup. That means lots of buyers, right? Lots of buyer accumulator. The stocks right here. Lots and lots of buyers. Okay, so we got a cup handle, and then we got a breakout. How do we measure the upside gain? Should be 100 points here. So up there should be 550. So with 550 is the first level, maybe 560 the final. 550 first level. So right now it's 542, 543. It's not that far away. It could be done in 1 or 2 days. So, and also look at it. MACD is forming divergence. I said it a few times. It's forming. It's not completed yet. Wait, we may have one more crazy up move up there. So be careful. Look at 30 minutes. We got a cup two. Looks like a cup to me. Let's see. We'll close the cup, and it has a handle. Pull back, and then break up again. Then we'll hit 550 or 560. And also another bullish, still bullish, but will turn bearish. Another signal, RSI. See, look at it. It's oversold, right? It's in oversold area. That means the market might reverse, but not yet. Based on 3-bar rules, it's gonna happen, but don't know the timing. It will be patient. So for now, just consider bullish, trend, still bullish trend. Don't be so bearish. Not yet. Wait till the market present itself, until it fail, until it has a rejection at certain level. For Monday trade, I would say maybe have a slight pullback, retest the 5-day moving average. So what's going to happen on Monday? 5-day moving average should be a major support. Okay, let it be a major hit, retest a major support. And 30-minute, since this is a cup, looks like a cup to me. Let us see, we'll close it and then form a handle first. Okay, if we form a handle, be careful. We have lots of supports below. I want the market to fill the gap, but it hasn't filled yet. So it might be filled on Monday. So two-way to plays. Either get up and come down. Okay, so either get up right here, way above 545, 546, and come down, fill the gap. Or Monday, it'll fill the gap first and then bounce back. Okay, so this will be a first scenario. This will be a second. Okay, that's my guess. And Also, don't forget 1 minute, on the 1 minute time frame, 50, still above 200. So watch out. And funny, one more thing we should observe. Look at the equal weight, S&P 500 equal weight. For the SPY, the gap down, the gap was filled on the same day, right? But not for the equal weight. So watch out to the upside. So it might, fill this gap. It might get up on Monday since no big news, right? No major news on Monday. So it might go up, have a new high again. Look at the SPY. SPY already filled this gap. Okay, but not the S&P 500 equal weight. There's still gap here. So watch out. It's the signals is turning bearish, but not yet. It's still waiting. Okay, we might create lots of bear traps before turning around. Let's look at the VIX. Look at the VIX here. The VIX 10-day moving average already crossed below 20-day, and the 5 days heading down. Looks like it wants to form a divergence, right? We need what's a divergence? Let's look at divergence here. We need lower low, and for the MACD lower high. Definitely is a divergence. So wait for the when we see divergence, the VIX most likely SPY should be the top, in my opinion. Just be patient. For now, it's this the bearish signals is surfacing, is coming out the surface, but not yet confirmed. We need 3-bar rule to confirm the bearish signal. For now, just treat it as still bullish, but scale it down. If you have to go long, scale it down. Don't bet too much on it. Don't chase to the upside unless it's a good buy. Always buy low, sell high. So for Monday, that's what I'm gonna do. Wait. If I get up, it's a good setup. Definitely a good trade setup. And also watch out 550. That's my ultimate level, right? I presented to you 550. And to the downside, we got lots of support. Good luck on your trading. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.